Solkikuja. Wanted touristic is A here, probably building 1. It's here Myyrmäki, Myyrmäki. Länsi-Vantaa, Väster-Vantaa, Väster-Vantaa in the Helsinki has fossil region also of Finland. This was built by Kone with novel MS pictures in 1994. Turned 25 years old in 2019. It's exact year that I actually guessed. And the number is 67965. It's going to be expected in 2023. Very nice. It's one more 1990s area that we just found here. Or we had found it before, but only I noticed it today.
Yeah.
So it's a good idea to go here also.
Yeah.
Machine D also from 1998, we just filmed several, but there's one more with 4 staircases there's left.
Yeah.
You can try later on.
Expected paikki Miten paikka on?
I like the machine. Maybe it's early 94.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's it.